My name is Roland Ziepel. I am the technical manager here at the Leppersdorf site and also responsible for the project process at our location. Sachsenmilch Leppersdorf GmbH was founded 30 years ago. Now, we have one of the largest and most modern dairies in Europe. We process approximately 4.6 million liters of milk every day, which corresponds to about 170 truck deliveries per day. And that's why it's so important that our technology works 24/7. We have launched a pilot project here at the Leppersdorf site with Senseye Predictive Maintenance.
Senseye Predictive Maintenance is a valuable addition to our existing preventive maintenance processes. It makes it very easy to recognize alongside the diverse technology that we have in use. At certain points, problems can develop, so we can respond quickly, and thus production losses can be greatly reduced.
We no longer have fixed maintenance plans, but can now learn about the condition of the machines in order to reduce maintenance costs.
The biggest challenge in the implementation of our pilot project was to find the right data. We look at temperature and look at vibrations, look at frequencies to be able to recognize anomalies and draw the right conclusions.
Senseye Predictive Maintenance fits very well with our existing processes. The app is very easy to use. All the functions that are important can be reached quickly. We have a lot of data, which is compiled and then can be evaluated ourselves to come to a conclusion about what the problem is. The Senseye Copilot is also a good tool, especially for new employees who are not yet so deeply involved.
We can already say today that the Senseye Predictive Maintenance pilot has already amortized.
On many occasions, we have had the experience that a replacement of the pump could be planned, and thus the standstill was significantly shorter than if the pump failed during production.
The early recognition of this event has brought us savings in the low six-figure euro range. We like on this project that Siemens has the know-how on the technological side, but also on the project management side.
And we have had very, very good experiences working together in this area and have had ongoing support. But not only that, Siemens has carried out training so that we could then independently continue the pilot and bring it to a successful conclusion. We are planning the integration with Siemens from Senseye into SAP PM with the goal that we can automate the warnings from Senseye in SAP PM so that these can be taken into account when creating maintenance plans.